So what are the types of recycled materials used to make synthetic aggregates? There are some that are obvious and some that are not obvious. So I'll just go through a couple of them. Number one is glass, right? Glass, widely available and relatively easy to recycle and use. Plastics. Plastics is the elephant in the room, right? We'll get into that a little bit more. Then there's industrial byproducts. Industrial byproducts is pretty extensive too. You're talking about blast furnace slags, fly ash from coal-fired plants, all of these things. And there's other ones. And then you have recycled construction debris, like I just said, recycled concrete aggregate, right? So these are kind of, there's other subcategories within these categories, but these are really the big ones. And I'll talk about glass initially. So glass, this is really the low-hanging fruit. Glass is inert. And glass means it's not biodegradable. It doesn't react very much, and it doesn't really degrade, right? This is a great one. This can be turned into multiple types of synthetic aggregates, and there are literally millions of tons available globally. One of the key things when recycling glass into synthetic aggregates is, and one of the things my current company focuses on, we take a grade of glass that's really doesn't have any commercial value. So when you're recycling glass, you're sorting it optically for color, right? Because different color means different chemistry. So the chunks are larger, it's optically sorted for color, and there are good commercial uses for this. But as the material gets finer and finer, no longer can be sorted optically for color. This material is largely waste material, right? We're landfilling 97% of this small particle glass to landfill in the United States currently. So this is what we take. We take this into our process, and we turn it into our company, my company that I work for, turns it into foam glass aggregate, and other companies will turn it into expanding glass, and there are other products it can go into. So glass is right there, and glass is available pretty much in every region. The next one is plastics. Plastics are much harder to recycle and turn into a functional aggregate, right? And this is the most available feedstock or waste stream that's available. You're talking about 300 million tons available globally, and this is a problem, right? And so if we can take this material, turn it into a functional aggregate, again, regionally, you can take the recycled plastic from San Francisco, turn it into a functional aggregate, and put it back into construction projects in San Francisco, right? This is the circular economy.